Hey guys, I'm Wildy, and you're not gonna believe what I found. I found a question thing, and that question thing was the crown princess. And I was the first to catch it, so it's. Now everyone would think I'm the first one to just find this stuff. And you know what happens. Well, yeah. What? Also, there's one thing you can do. So first, you get a water bottle. Then next, you put the cap over there. Then look, see, it's taking over your bottle now. Ain't that weird? Well, yeah. Yeah. What if I wear it? Will Pete go in me or what? Nothing happens. So guys, if you like this video, click on the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, Gamer Dig. Bye!